Hello dear students, I welcome you again to the online video class of computers. Children, in this video I am going to do the revision of lesson number 4, that is presentation. Okay, in my previous video I have already told you about the syllabus. Okay, so according to that you have to start your preparation. Okay, now in this chapter I have given you some questions to you. Question 1, define. First is slides. Slides are the individual pages that are displayed on the screen to communicate information. Now children, as we know that presentation, we make presentation to represent our views, okay, in attractive way. Okay, now children, suppose like this book has pages, individual pages in which information is written in the form of text, images. Okay, the same way in presentation software, the information is written on slides. They are simply called individual pages. Okay, so on that individual page, images are there about the thing, what is that, everything is written about that on that slide or page. Okay, so slides are what? They are individual pages. Backstage view, it is a full page view that provides information about the current file. This view allows you to perform some basic tasks. Now what is the backstage view? Children, when see, this is the presentation window. When we open MS PowerPoint, this is the presentation PowerPoint window. Okay, now when we click on this file option, okay, this here, now when we click on it provides you the backstage view. Backstage view means it provides you the information about the current file. That when you click on it shows you some options like this: info, okay, like this, new, open, save, like this. Okay children, so now you have to write about them also. It is given on page number 64. Page number 64 it is given. From here you can write down the about them also. You have to explain them: info, new, open, save. Okay, you have to explain them also. So write down about them in your notebook. I have not written over here. You have to find out the answer and then you have to write it down and learn it as well. Okay, now here is question number 2. What are the different tasks that can be performed on MS PowerPoint presentation? Now children, when we use MS PowerPoint presentation, we can do different tasks on it, or we can perform many functions. Like what are those? They are creating presentation by using built-in templates. Now children, what are built-in templates? Built-in templates are the pre-made presentations, means in which you can do editing only. It is already made presentations in which you can edit your text, in which you can insert your images as well. Okay children, so you can create presentation by using built-in, or if you don't want to use built-in templates, you can create your presentation of your own by inserting new slides on it. Okay, next is inserting new slides. Next, what we can perform on MS PowerPoint, we can perform or we can add new slides in it by inserting them. Okay, next is saving slides. Once we are done with our presentation, then we can save them also. Okay, so that we can use them in future also. Fourth, we can insert different objects like word art, shapes, pictures. Word art, simply children, word art are like this. These are the word arts. See, these are the word arts, means using these kind of designs we can write messages, we can write text in our presentation, so it enhances its beauty. Next, we can insert shapes also. If we want to insert shapes in our drawing like this, see, in our slides like this, these kind of shapes we can insert in our presentation slide. Pictures also, if we want to write down about anything, we can insert its picture also by defining its various parts. Okay, so that is how we can insert these different objects in our PowerPoint presentation. So these are the different tasks that we can perform on presentation. Now children, here is question number 3. Write down all the steps to perform the following tasks. So now children, here I have given you some lists in which you have to write down the steps. Okay, now first is to insert shapes in presentation. Okay, you will get this answer from presentation here on page number 76. Okay, on page number 76 all the steps are written, you have to find it out and then you have to write down in your notebook. Also, you can watch previous videos in which I have explained how with the practical that how you can insert shapes in presentation also. Next is inserting picture, that is the steps are also given on page number 77. Okay, with the help of this inserting pictures on page number 77 from here. Step 1, step 2, this is how you have to write down till step number 5. Okay children. Now next children, here I have given these 3 questions. These are not related to this chapter, but they are related to the previous chapter. I forgot to mention it in my previous video, so I am writing down these questions over here also. Okay children. So now what you have to do, you have to go back to the previous chapter and then you have to find out the steps on which these things have given. To change the page orientation means portrait and landscape. How you can change the direction of a page in portrait and landscape way. Next is to place text in shape. Suppose you have drawn a shape like this rectangular in MS Word document, then how you can write text inside it, that hello or whatever text you want to write it inside it, then how you can perform those tasks, you have to write down the steps. Next is to apply shading in MS Word document. Shading means highlighting the background, okay, of a text or a paragraph. That also I have already done these questions through practicals and I have explained you in the chapters also, okay. But in revision part, I have just only mentioned the question answers. So if you want to read or if you want to learn how these things have performed practically, then you can watch the videos regarding these topics. Okay children. Now add one more question to insert new slide in your presentation. Okay, this question also you have to do of your own. Now children, these questions you have to do of your own. I'm not going to I'm not going to write down all the steps of all these tasks. So this question I'm giving to you, you have to find out the answers and write them in a very neat and clean handwriting with proper steps which are mentioned in your book. Okay. So now children, this is enough for today in this video. I'll take your leave. Be prepare yourself for the tests and start revising the question answers which have been given to you in these assignments. Okay, go through the chapters, go through the practicals which I have been shown in the video. Okay children, so I'll take your leave now. We will be meeting soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home.